In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your video dimensions on Clipchamp to make perfect vertical videos suitable for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This process will help you seamlessly create content that looks professional and polished across these popular social media platforms. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Clipchamp's website. Clipchamp is a user-friendly online video editor that offers a range of tools to help you create engaging content. If you don't have a Clipchamp account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and you can either create an account using your email or log in with a Google or Microsoft account for added convenience. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your starting point for video creation. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's head over to the media section. This is where you can access all your uploaded files and begin adjusting their settings. It's essential to know how to navigate this area comfortably, as it plays a crucial role in managing all your project assets. In the media section, you'll notice an option labeled Size. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to change the aspect ratio of your video. You'll see several options here, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on creating vertical videos. Select the vertical option from the list. This aspect ratio is ideal for creating content specifically tailored for vertical viewing experiences, such as Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. It ensures that your videos fit perfectly within the platform's frame without unwanted borders or crop issues. Choosing the vertical size optimizes your video for these popular social media platforms, making it easier for your audience to engage with your content. Remember, first impressions matter, and the correct video dimensions enhance viewer retention and satisfaction. After you have set your video to vertical, it's time to have a quick glance at your preview. Make sure that none of the visual elements are cut off and everything appears as intended. It's always a good idea to play your video within Clipchamp to ensure all transitions and edits you may have made appear smoothly. And there you have it. Your video is now ready in perfect vertical format, aligned with your creative vision and platform requirements. Whether you're making videos for fun or aiming to boost your social media presence, mastering these basics in Clipchamp will help you get the most out of your content creation efforts. Keep practicing and enjoy experimenting with the additional editing tools available to enhance your videos further.